Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this SprutCAM training course, and the topic for today will be the simulation. So we've seen many examples of different toolpath types, milling, turning, welding, jet cutting, so we've seen a lot. And important to mention that, as far as I remember, in all of those different videos and different types, I've tried also to show. I've tried always to show you the simulation side of SprutCAM, and it is important to mention that SprutCAM has a high-quality multi-axis simulation module, and this module allows an exact simulation and an error checking for all those different types. You know already, or at least you've seen already, that we mill under this tab here, and if we click under simulation, we have a couple of parameters which can control this simulation. A lot of things can be done, and we'll talk about other things around here. But in this particular video, I would like to show you first the structure of the toolpath. So it is important to mention, for example, that what we get under machining, in this particular case, we have three programs. We have three programs here, and we can open these programs, as you can see, and we have what we call the CL data of the calculated toolpath. And this structure, this information, this CL data, has different commands, and we have a list which you can see on the theoretical side of the course. And there are a couple of instructions or commands which you can see, for example, like this one, command, which it is a command that the post processor can use so that we are able to see this information on the post-processed file inside the control when the program is displayed. We have informations, for example, for spindle. So this is a spindle switch on, switch off. For approach, rapid, this is multi-go-to, it's motion in multi-coordinate movement, and so on. There are a lot of things which you can consult, a complete list of what is possible. Then it is important also to note that in this particular case, this is a program by levels, and this is organized by levels. So level this value, level this value, and we can open these by levels and find also information inside. Okay. Now with that information we can do a lot of things. First, we can go to a certain place, okay, click it, and the software will display the point we've clicked. So it is this point here. And if we click twice on this, we can change the actual values. Let us put something stupid. For example, 10. And you see that we have a completely different result. For other things, we can change the plan. For example, I don't want to have this in this plan, so if I click twice, I can change the plan, which probably will give not so good result, not so visible in this particular case, but okay, it is something that we can do also. So there are a lot of different stuff we can do under this. Another interesting thing to do, it is, for example, the possibility with my right mouse button to click, and I can say optimize feed. And as you can see, in this particular case, it's already optimized, okay, but I can change, for example, my feed, and do an OK will save me around in this idling 4 minutes. In the total time, not so much. Okay, but it is something that I can do. I can also transform toolpath, and if I know the correct values, I can move it, rotate it, and apply all of these things in this state where I have already the program calculated and I'm dealing with the CL data. So this is or these are very interesting options which allow the user to have a lot of freedom and control on the complete process, and also on an advanced state, which is everything already calculated. So in certain aspects, we don't need to redefine everything and lose time. So use this information also, and you are already aware about this. Use it and try to do a couple of things with this information. Any question or any help, as we say always, send us information and we'll give you all the necessary support.